how to delete apps on your Android phone. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and as well clicking on that bell icon on. So let's go and I will show you how. So first, find the app that you want to delete from your Android phone. Just long press on that app and then you would see an uninstall button right there. Just tap on that to uninstall. So if you don't have this kind of feature in your Android app, what I will show you here is the other method. So again, long press on that app, go to app info, and then here in the app info you can see the uninstall button, where you can just tap on the uninstall button and then you can now uninstall the app. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.